Good morning. Thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. Over the last several weeks, we talked about words to use certain words for you instead of against you. And the last word that we're going to sum it up with is the word yes. And this is one word that works for you. So what does yes mean? Yes means you expect success. Yes, you expect success. When you talk to a client and a client asks you, can you deliver the goods and services with excellence? And you say, yes, you expect success. And so do they. When you talk to somebody on your team and say, can you get that done for me? And they say, yes, they expect success. They expect to deliver the goods to you, and you expect it done. So a simple word, yes, you expect success. Tony Robbins, you go to a Tony Robbins weekend and you're clapping your hands saying, yes, 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 yes. That programs your mind for you to expect success. So anytime you have a question, if you're faced with some of the words we talked about over the last few weeks, if you're fearful, you're hearing the word no, or the word end, or fail, or you're hearing if, or but, or should, or any of those doubt words, any of those words that don't serve you, just clap your hands and say yes. And remember that you expect success. Because when you put in the work, when you're definite on your goal, when you put the plan together, when you follow through, when you shut out all the negative influences, and when you get an alliance with people that can encourage you to have faith, belief, and courage in yourself, to follow your plan and execute, you will get success. So when you take the right steps, you can always expect success. I want to thank you for joining me over the last few weeks for my cycle of words. I hope they have served you well. I hope they serve you well going forward. As always, I want to thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. I want to wish you a productive and proper week. Go get them.